Hi everybody, today I want to take advantage that we still have corn season because it's one of my favorites, and show you another corn dish that I love to make during corn season. This is one of those cream styled ones, this one with bacon. Now I'm just doing a half of the recipe today because it's just Billy and I, so I'm just cutting 3 ears of corn from the cob. In my skillet over here I have 3 pieces of bacon that I diced up cooking. So we're just gonna let this bacon cook till it gets nice and crispy. We're in the prettiest of anchorages, the most pretty one we've been in probably ever, huh baby?
Oh no, I think some of our Georgia ones.
Anyway, we're like up in this cove, and it's like we're being in the middle of housing complex. There's just houses, residential all around. It's so pretty. It's so calm. It's been really pleasant to be here. Now, once my bacon gets crispy, I want to remove it. I was gonna say with a slotted spoon, but this is my bacon, and so there's just no real fat left in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove my bacon. I'm gonna add some butter to my pan to make up for the bacon grease I did not get. So now I'm gonna do some onion and some red bell pepper. Now, one thing, I don't know if you've ever just done like sauteed corn with red pepper. The flavors of red pepper and corn are just a really beautiful combination. It's not one that you see a lot either, but those two together really work. And that's another favorite corn dish. I just do sauteed corn and red peppers. And I'm gonna let that soften up for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my salt. And then I really think here, the white pepper. I'm gonna do a little pinch of crushed red pepper. Obviously it's optional. And next we're gonna add the corn. And we just want to give that about another 3 to 4 minutes. Just let the corn start to soften. Looks so pretty with the red peppers running through it. Now I have to say, you can really just stop right here. That's so good. But I'm gonna make a cream style, and I'm doing that today with my cream cheese. And I'm just gonna let that slowly melt. And then I have some milk. I'm not gonna do all that I have. I'm just gonna do a little at a time until it gets to the consistency that I want. I don't want to pour too much in at one time and then make it runny. And then of course back in with our bacon. And that's it. And it's that easy, it's that quick, and it's just that simple for this amazing side dish. And now we need to taste. Do just a little more kosher salt to mine, and I'm going to call it perfect and done. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful view today. There was an egret right out there. I think they flew away. And I hope that you enjoyed this delicious recipe. Corn with bacon, red peppers, cream style. I'll see y'all later. Bye.